Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to quickly and easily get your Instagram QR code. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. First, open your Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look for an option called Share Profile. Tap on it and you will see your unique QR code popping up. Now you can take a screenshot of the QR code to save it for later, show it directly to your friend for an easy scan, or tap the share button to send it directly through any app you like. It's super convenient for quickly sharing your profile. And that's all there is to it. Simple, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks like this, and I'll see you in the next video.